There we go. Yeah. A nice truck. And the hood light still works on it. Of course, that's pretty good. Anybody else's truck would probably been $5 grand, but you know. I like his truck. Got it from my buddy Brandon that owns his car lot. Fucking looks like a brand new fucking spare factory at that. Can y'all tell me if that toy got any drive out in it? No, it don't look like got any drive out, does it? Frame solid. I'm gonna sand it and paint it. Her favorite color is purple and blue, so that's probably what I'll do. I'll paint this truck purple and blue for her once we get paid off. No, it ain't paid for yet, but